friends, let's see this beautiful, refreshing masala chas recipe. Now let's go through the ingredients. Here I have about 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves, which I've washed very well. Here is 1/4 cup of mint leaves or pudina. Again, wash the leaves really well. This is 1.5 cup of fresh curd. I will leave a link to how I make my homemade dahi or curd at home. This is just 1 green chili that I've just cupped up into 4. This is 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. This is 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Some salt to taste. And this is 1/2 liter or 500 ml of ice cold water. All I've done is taken 500 ml of water and added some nice ice to it and kept it in the refrigerator. So let's start. So now I'm going to add the coriander leaves, the mint leaves and the chili to my mixer jar, and I'm going to make this into a very fine paste like this. Now I'm going to take a vessel like this in which I can mix everything. So first I'm going to add my dahi or curd or yogurt. Now if you don't have the homemade one, you can always use the ready-made dahi or yogurt. But do check out my recipe. It's super simple as to how to make your own dahi at home. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of water to the ground paste, and I'm just going to mix it up well or stir it. And I'm going to add this now to the dahi or the yogurt. We're just going to stir it in well. Also friends, do check out my jaljeera recipe. I will leave a link for that and many other summer recipes in the description box below, which is just below this video. So you can just click on the down arrow, it'll all open up and you can see it. Now I'm going to add only about half the quantity, that is half the teaspoon of the roasted cumin powder and only half the quantity of the pepper powder, some salt to taste. And I'm going to use my wooden whisk, but you can also use a regular whisk that you have. And I'm going to whisk this really well. Now, generally in my mind, I just count up to 100 whenever I'm making this chas or any buttermilk. But you can also time yourself for a minute on your watch or your on your phone. Just put a timer of 1 minute. And now I'm going to add the remaining cumin powder and the remaining pepper powder. And again, whisk for about half a minute. Now the reason is that when you whisk this buttermilk well, now I'm going to add the water a little at a time and whisk it. When you whisk this well, it really, everything gets incorporated very well and it becomes very light and refreshing, this chas or this dak. So you need to whisk this really well. Now after adding the water, again I'm going to whisk it for 1 minute. So either you put a timer or you can just count to 100. Now, if you don't have either of the whisk, you can just put it into your mixer and blitz it. And you'll see this little bubbles on the top. That means your dak or your buttermilk or your masala chas is all ready. So I'm just going to transfer it into a pouring jar. And now it's time to serve this refreshing masala chas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into these small glasses. Now I got a quantity of actually 6 small glasses with this quantity of 1/2 liter. And ideally this has to be really nice and chilled, and you can even add some ice cubes if you want to. And now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the cumin powder on the top. And then I'm just going to place some mint leaves that I have at hand, or you can even chop up some mint leaves and coriander, blend of the two, chop it up really fine and garnish it. So this drink is a must for the summer, so I highly recommend that you try it out. It's made with very few ingredients, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.